Hi everyone, welcome to Discover Natural. Today I'm gonna just dive into this video. If you've not yet subscribed, feel free to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you like what you see. So I have a paper bag right here that I got from my friend. They got it from Aldi, not sponsored. So what you just do is you get this paper bag and you just start cutting strips. And I'm just cutting, I want to say about an inch in length of the strip. So you just cut it like this, okay? And once you cut it, you're gonna keep on cutting until you're done with the paper bag. And I'm gonna show you, after cutting it into strip, you have something that looks like this. It's, yeah, so when you expand it, and once you expand it, you fold it like this, and then you cut the ends of it. So we're going to cut the very end like this, and then we're going to cut the very end of this like that. Then now you have two strips of paper bags. So once you have two strips of the paper bag like this, then you can cut this into half so that this paper bag makes it four. It's quite simple. So it's just a lot of cutting of paper bag. So after you've cut it, the last thing you want to do is you want to take each one of this paper bag and you just want to fold it into two. So what you do is that once your paper bag is like this, you can get your hair grease or even hair oil. If you don't have hair grease, you can use your hair oil. So I'm going to use my Blue Magic hair grease and take some of that, and I'm just gonna grease up this. Now don't worry, this is not, I'm not greasing up our hair, so people that want to leave a comment about hair grease, you can click on that link that just popped up, and that tells you how we use hair grease, when we use hair grease, and things of that sort. So our hair has been washed and shampooed with the Inasi products and also deep conditioned, and she's been wearing this twist for 2 weeks, so that's why we decided to wash her hair in twist. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner by Inasi in her hair and just put it throughout just for more moisture. And then I'm going to follow up with the Inasi Rock Your Curls Curl Cream, and this is what it looks like. And I'm going to put that all over her hair. And to give it some hold, we will be using the Style Boosters fitting spray, and this is what it looks like. And we're going to just spray it throughout our hair just for hold. If you want, you can use gel, but I try not to use too much gel on our hair. So to start curling up our hair, I'm going to gather about 2 of the twists at a time. And what you want to do is that you want to get the hair, the paper bag, and you're going to use it almost like flexirod. Are you listening? Almost like flexirod. So we're going to start from the very end of the hair, and we're going to just roll it like that. And because I want our hair to dry, I'm not going to roll, you can roll it on top of each other, but I'm going to roll it away from the one that I rolled before. So like that. And you can move it, bunch it up to the middle, and continue rolling like that. And when you get to the very end, all you want to do now is you want to take the paper bag and you're just going to knot it up. So just tie it into a knot like that. And that's it. So our hair is dry. Well, yeah, it's dry. So we're going to remove the paper, and all you just do is just take it, unroll it like that, and then roll it out. And this is how the curls turned out. You can see they're really curly. You like it? See?
Yeah.
It's nice and curly. This is what it looks like. So these are the curls that was created using the paper bag. So it's really curly. So now we're gonna untwist it. She didn't want to untwist it at first, right? But we're gonna untwist it just to give it more volume. So this is the result after we've uncurled it. So this is what it looks like. You can see it right over there. Okay, no. So you can see it. It's nice and curly. Yeah, that is so cute. You like it? Okay, so now to see the back. Thank you so much for watching, and if you recreate this style, please tag us on Instagram at Discovery Natural. See you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mwah.